afternoon, everybody, down Waldrop Outdoors. We are going to do a little archery shooting this afternoon. It's a little stormy, a little windy. I'll try it with my glasses on, and without my glasses off. We're at about 20 yards. Walk down and see what we did. We're at about 20. Not a great group. Elevation's okay. Windage is not too great. A couple of them would have harvested an animal. This far right one right here probably would have been a gut shot, but them right there probably would have got the job done. So let's go back and try it with our glasses off. Well, it looks like we're having a rain out. It's Kentucky, all right. You never know what's gonna happen. Got water raining on me. I better get my bow inside. Don't want to get it soaking wet. So we'll put these together, maybe get back in a minute when it quits.